Experience homeownership at its best with low-maintenance living from HHHunt Homes, where comfort, convenience, and the freedom to live your best life come together. Imagine weekends without mowing, trimming, or worrying about yard work. In many of our communities, lawn care and landscaping are handled for you, giving you back time to relax, connect with neighbors, or explore nearby shops and restaurants. Exterior maintenance is simplified too, from services like power washing and gutter cleaning to long-term upkeep. Many of the costly, time-consuming tasks of homeownership are covered, so you can focus on making your home truly yours. With today's smart home technology, lock and leave living is easier than ever. Control lighting, temperature, and home security remotely, and enjoy peace of mind whether you're away for the day or off on your next adventure. At HHHunt Homes, we design communities around how you live, so you can spend less time on maintenance and more time on what matters most: travel, hobbies, friends, and family. Explore our low-maintenance communities and discover a home that works for your lifestyle. Contact us today to get started at HHHuntHomes.com.